In this video, we're going to show you how you can build a working button door in Minecraft. If you find this video helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing. To start, go ahead and remove your doors just like so, and dig 2 blocks down in that pathway where you're trying to place the doors. Also dig 2 blocks in front of you just to make this process a little bit easier. Go ahead and fall in this hole and actually destroy the 2 blocks that connect to wherever those doors are going to connect and place redstone in both of them. From here, go ahead and make a little redstone trail there, and then add a redstone repeater facing that way, just like so. Go ahead and hop back up here, place a slab on this one, and then place a stone brick or any full block right there. From here, you can now place your doors, and you could also cover this up with whatever, something like that will work. Next, go ahead and place a button on one side. This is going to be the same one that you put the slab on. So right here would work perfectly. And then you could just hit that button and boom, both these doors are going to open up. It really is as simple as that. Here we go. We're going to open it again. Awesome. If you guys have any questions about how this works, let me know down in the comment section below. But before you leave this video, make sure to like it and of course subscribe for more Minecraft content like this. Have a good day.